Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x plus 2. Later that we put number 2 go to the left because we have x. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. And I will put about the u. First derivative of x, we have number 1. And we have the x. And now we can simplify like this. So this one we change by u. X we change by u minus number 2. The x we change by the u. So u to the power of 5 multiplied by u and number 2. Next, we have the formula. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. Now, we can apply the formula in here and here. So number 6 plus 1, we have number 7. The next one, that is about u to the power of 6 over number 6. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So number 2 divided by number 6, we have 1 over 3. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.